Sure. So we are a Swiss-based nonprofit, and we are a regulator in environmental markets. So, what we do is we provide governance structures and best practice tools for environmental markets. So we were founded in 2003 by the World Wildlife Fund in order to prove that the carbon markets can deliver sustainable development and greenhouse gas reduction. So that's how we got our start.
So are you an environmental sort of specialized lobbyist group? Or
No.
advocacy group?
Nope, we are a regulator. So
Which is different, right?
it is very different. So are you familiar with LEED? LEED for buildings?
No.
No.
So if you have an energy efficient building, you can apply to an organization called LEED, and they will certify your building depending on how energy efficient the building is. And they have a set of rules, and in order to get their label, you have to meet their rules. So we are similar to LEED in that we provide a label for energy projects. Well, we started with energy projects, except we go one step further. And if you meet our rules for greenhouse gas reductions and community improvement, then we will issue you a carbon credit, which can then be transacted, and you can use the money that you earn from the transaction to help fund your project. So we were founded in 2003. We started with renewable energy and energy efficiency projects, and we have since expanded to land use, forestry, water, and cities, which I can explain. But basically, we provide the rule book for these types of projects if they want to earn gold standard carbon credits, which can then be sold in the international environmental markets for a very good price. And the revenue that they earn can be used to fund the project. And the purpose, so we call this climate finance, and the purpose of climate finance is to incentivize as many emissions reductions as possible, because we firmly believe that we need to avoid the 2-degree temperature rise, which has been a milestone set by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, which is a very large group of scientists, which the core premise is that climate change is happening, it's caused by human behavior, and so we need to facilitate a behavior change in order to avoid this 2-degree temperature increase. And what I believe personally is that we can use environmental markets to incentivize that behavior change, and that's basically what we do.
So who provides, you provide a carbon credit to people who provide environmentally sound practices?